Good morning everybody. Today we will do question number 7th of exercise 3.2. Question number 7th is draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. See, the first equation which is given to us is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is our first equation. And the second equation which is given to us is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. We'll start from the first equation, case first. First equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We will put x is equal to 1 in equation first. See, we can put any value of x in equation first. It can be integer in such a way that we get value of y as an integer because it is easy to plot. So we have kept x is equal to 1 in equation first. In place of x, here I have written 1. 1 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Only in place of x I have kept here 1. Now minus y, 1 plus 1 will be added together. It becomes plus 2 is equal to 0. Or always remember, we try to keep variable as a positive. So I am taking this minus y from LHS to RHS. When it goes to RHS, it becomes positive y. So y is equal to 2. Now see here, when I have taken value of x as a 1, then I am getting value of y as a 2. We'll make one table here and write when we have taken value of x as a 1, then we are getting value of y as a 2. Now after this, in the same equation, let x is equal to 2 in equation first, the same equation. In place of x, in place of this x, we have to put here 2. Now see here, 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Or minus y, 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Or again this minus y will be taken to RHS, then it becomes positive y is equal to 3. Now see here, when we have kept value of x as a 2, then we are getting value of y as a 3. So this one as equation 4th we have written here. When we have kept value of x as a 2, at that time we are getting value of y as a 3. Now after this we are coming on equation 2nd. Case second, see here the equation for case second is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. We can put value of x as a 2 in equation second. In place of x, we have to write down 2. So it becomes 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Or 3 2s are, it is 6. 6 plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Or 2y 6 minus 12. It means we have to find out difference. The difference will be 6. As 12 is greater, before 12 there is a negative sign. So we have to place this negative sign before 6. So we are getting 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Or 2y, we have taken this minus 6 to the next side. Then it becomes positive 6. Or y, 2 is getting multiplied by y. When we are taking this 2 to the next side, then it will divide this 6. So y is equal to 6 divided by 2. And then when 6 is divided by 2, we are getting 3. So value of y is 3. When x is 2, see here, when x is 2, then we are getting value of y as 3. Now we are making table 2. Here see, when we have put value of x as a 2, at that time we are getting value of y as a 3. Now again we will choose, let x as a 0 in equation second. Now see here, 3 in place of x we have kept here 0. 3 zeros are plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. 3 zeros are, it is 0 plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Or 2y, see this minus 12 is taken to the next side, then it becomes positive 12. Or y is equal to 12 by 2. 2 is getting multiplied by y. When it is taken to the next side, then it will divide 12. Or y is equal to 6. After cancellation, we are getting value of y as a 6. Now see here, when value of x is 0, at that time we are getting value of y as a 6. We will write it in table. When value of x is 0, then we are getting value of y as a 6. Now we will plot the lines for these equations in a Cartesian plane. See here, I have written those two tables here, so I don't have to turn the pages again and again. Table first is this one and table 2 is this one. According to this, we will plot the graph. See here, you have to use centimeter scale. This is your positive x-axis. This one is negative x-axis. This one is positive y-axis. And this one is minus y-axis. I have chosen here centimeter scale. Always remember that all the interval, it should be at the equal distance. Then only your graph will be correct. And this is our origin or 0. Now see, first table. We are coming on the first table. first point x as a 1 and y as a 2. It means on the positive x-axis we have to move one step vertically we will move, and on y we have to take 2. See here how it has been plotted. On positive x-axis this is 1, this one is 1, and on y-axis at that time we have drawn one vertical line, dotted vertical line from point 1 on x-axis upwards. At the same time we are getting value of y as a 2. So dotted horizontal line from 2. Where these two dotted lines are intersecting, say this point as A. Now coordinate of A is 1 and 2. First the x coordinate and second the y coordinate. First point has been plotted for the table 1. Now after this we are coming on the second point. Second point of table 1 is x is a 2. It means on positive x-axis we have to move 2 steps, and that time we have to move 3 steps on y-axis in positive direction upwards. See here, positive x-axis we have to move 2. This 2 on x-axis. We will draw one vertical dotted line from 2. At that time we have to move horizontally from y-axis. This is third mark on the y-axis. Horizontally we are moving, and where these two lines are intersecting, say this point as 2. This is B. We have denoted it by B, and coordinates of B are 2 and 3. Now after this we are coming on table 2. See here, table 2. When x is taken as 2, at that time y is 3 in table 2. These are the same points as we have drawn earlier. From x-axis, this is the 2. We have moved vertically upwards with the help of dotted line. At that time value of y we are getting 3. So come on the y-axis, positive y-axis 3. Horizontally we have moved, and where these two lines are intersecting, this is the point. We have got C, that is first point from the table first. C, its coordinates are same, 2 and 3. BC coincide. It means point B and C are same. They coincides. After this we are coming on second point of the table 2, that is 0 and 6. 0, it is our origin on x-axis. At that time we have to mark point 6 on the y-axis, positive direction. See here. This is our origin 0. At that time we have to mark 6 on the y-axis. Say this one as point D. Its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. Now we'll join this C and D with the help of scale. See here, first we have joined AB with the scale, and then we have joined C and D with the scale. Now these two lines, they are intersecting at x-axis at point E. Here this line is intersecting at point E, and coordinates of E is -1. See, -1, first we have to write down coordinate of x-axis. So this line is intersecting x-axis at point -1. So its x coordinate is -1, and it is not intersecting this point. For this point the coordinate of y-axis will be 0. So coordinates of E are -1 and 0. Now similarly we are coming on finding out this line. This line is intersecting x-axis at point 4, which is marked on x-axis. So x coordinate will be 4, and y coordinate, for always remember, y coordinate for x-axis will be always 0. So coordinate of point F is 4 and 0. See here, a triangle formed by line BEF. B, this is point B, this one is E, and this one is F. Its 3 points are B. Coordinates of B is 2, 3. Coordinates of E is 1, 0, and coordinate of F is 4, 0.